Hello, sports fans. Welcome to RVing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck. Going to do a little hike in the forest at sunset with Ninja. She actually followed me all the way down to where I was going, which is a first. Normally she doesn't go that far from the RV. We weren't too far, but it was fun. Hope you enjoy. Oh, and this is a result of my shave. Well, I started to take a little walk. And look who decided to join me. We were in the forest, but now she decided to hop on this road and lead the way. With, of course, the occasional cat rolling in the dirt. Now that the sunset, it's nice in the mid-70s now, down from the mid-80s this afternoon. Decided to just take a little walk, but I think there's some mosquitoes starting to come out, which means I wish I would have sprayed some mosquito spray on my legs, because they just love my fat, juicy white calves. Yep, I see you're doing a great job. She wouldn't have it any other way in life. Me neither. There's just no going back to sticks and bricks after this. Well, I decided to keep on coming down here because I wanted to look at this little non-traffic barrier for off-road vehicles that was reinforced by me a couple weeks ago. Oh, look who's coming. You coming? So this is a no motor vehicle sign. This is a side trail, not a forest road. And this is for vegetation, soil, and watershed protection. This was never meant to be a trail for off-road vehicles. So it had a light, unassuming rock blockade. I've added a little bit more over time. Yeah, it's a steel pole. Just to deter. I mean, that tree enough ought to be a detour. So there's the road we came down. That is a forest road. I see somebody up in the distance in a vehicle. That's cool. There's your off-road trail. This is not. And not cool to disobey signs. Right, Ninja? Think that's enough rocks for now? Okay, it's getting dark. We better head back. So, gonna be heading back here. Getting sunset a little bit ago, but it's starting to get a little dark. And I know you can't tell it's getting dark, but camera picks up a lot of light. Ready to lead the way? Huh? Gotta get headed back. Here we go. She likes to do some adventuring on the way. So, after a little hike with Ninja, it's time to do what I do about every, boy, loud plane. What I do about every week or 10 days, which is shave the head and some of the face. Let me show you my tools. Well, I have to add that it was a high of 86 today. When the sun set, it dropped below 80 degrees. And now it's 65, which is just beautiful. I think a low of maybe 62 in the morning, like 3, 4, 5 a.m. But perfect time to be outside to be doing this. And the other thing, I'm going to do a deep baby wipe cleaning with my cleanser spray, which is in a previous video. And before doing that, it's a good time to shave and then do that baby wipe cleanup. So, got a little light out here. My buzzers, trimmers, a mirror, and of course the baby wipes. Let's get to it. So fresh, so clean, so shaved. New shirt, new chonies, new socks, new shorts, oh, all the works. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already so you get alerts anytime I post a new video, which currently is about every other day, plus some shorts thrown in there. Take care. From Ninja and I, we bid you adieu.